IELTS speaking. Tips. Same question, different band scores. Who gave you your name? Band 5 answer.
My name was given by my parents. They just liked how it sounds, I think. I never asked them too much about it.
Why is this a band 5? Fluency and coherence. The answer is short and hesitant. Ideas are simple and lack development. Lexical resource. Basic vocabulary. Name parents like. No idiomatic or varied expressions. Grammar. Mostly simple structures, no complex sentences. Pronunciation. Clear enough, but flat intonation. Lacks rhythm or emphasis. Typical of a band 5. Limited range, short responses, and minimal elaboration. 7.5 answer.
My parents gave me my name. They told me they chose it because it's the same as my grandfather's, who was a very respected person in our family. I like that it has a family connection. It feels meaningful.
Why is this a band 7.5? Fluency and coherence. Smooth flow. Well organized with explanation and example. Lexical resource. Uses natural vocabulary. Respected. Family connection. Meaningful. Grammar. Mix of simple and complex structures used accurately. Pronunciation. Generally clear with natural rhythm and stress. Typical of a band 7.5. Detailed, relevant answer with natural vocabulary and strong control of grammar. Band 9 answer.
I was named by my parents after my grandfather, who was a remarkable person in our family's history. They wanted my name to reflect a sense of continuity and respect for our roots. I've always appreciated that. It gives my name a personal story and a sense of pride.
Why is this a band 9? Fluency and coherence. Effortless and articulate. Ideas fully developed and logically connected. Lexical resource. Sophisticated vocabulary. Remarkable. Continuity. Reflect. Roots. Grammar. Wide range of complex structures with perfect accuracy. Pronunciation. Natural, expressive intonation and rhythm. Easy to understand. Typical of a band 9. Fully developed ideas, precise vocabulary, and effortless fluency. Now it's your turn. How would you answer this question? Drop your answer in the comments, and I'll let you know if it sounds more like band 5, 7, or 9. And don't forget to subscribe for more IELTS speaking hacks.
Thank you. Please like and subscribe. See you tomorrow.